when I'm designing or developing websites, I usually have to get lots of logos for like integrations pages, testimonial, things like that. And I usually struggle a lot. I go to random websites with lots of ads, find the correct version of the logo and download it. But we now have like a beautiful way. It's called svgl.app, and this has like literally all the logos that are famous, that are in tech, that you will mostly know about. And this has like lots of extensive collections, and this even has API and like Figma plugin, everything. So if you want a good logo, if you want to see how other logos looks like, how database logos looks like, so even when I'm actually designing logos, I come here for logo inspiration, and how other people are doing database logos, how other people are for hosting, how is the logos there. So I take inspirations from that, and I also just come and copy logos easily from here. This has like every logo format, so like light and dark variants with word mark, light and dark variants, everything. So it's easy place to copy the very latest logos, and it has like lots and lots of collections of everything, and it's fully free. It has a good API, it has like a raycast extension, it has a Figma extension, and try it out, it's very good, and you will definitely like it. So next time you are designing in Figma, creating new websites with codecs or something, just send svgl.app to your AI agents, and it will get the perfect, exact, high quality logos, and it's fully in SVG, and you can use it for free anywhere. So yeah, try it out, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.